The Companion OEM fifth wheel hitch, designed to fit your factory-installed underbed pucks. Effortless release, no matter the terrain. The cam action latching handle ensures easy release, even on unlevel sites. Say goodbye to noise. Polyurethane bushings provide a quiet, rattle-free towing experience, mile after mile. Maneuver with ease. The slider feature delivers 12 inches of additional turning clearance, making it ideal for short bed trucks. Customize your setup. With 3 height adjustments from 17 to 19 inches and 2 inches of front to back movement, it's built to fit your needs. No more wobble. 1-inch thick wraparound jaws lock your kingpin tight, eliminating sloppy starts and stops for a smooth ride. Ultimate flexibility. The fully articulating head pivots front to back and side to side, giving you total control on any journey. The Companion OEM is engineered for durability and peace of mind. American-made, built to last.